Profile of General Lucky Mkhwanazi. Today, we're diving into the story of a man who's become a symbol of hope and controversy in South Africa's law enforcement scene. Lieutenant General Nalala Lucky Mkhwanazi, KwaZulu-Natal's Provincial Police Commissioner. Respected by many, feared by criminals, and not without his critics. Mkhwanazi's journey began in 1993 when he joined the South African Police Service. From day one, he was different, focused, tough, driven. He rose through the ranks, eventually commanding the elite Special Task Force. You know, the kind of unit that kicks down doors and ends hostage situations. His nickname? Tank. For obvious reasons. By 2011, he was Acting National Commissioner. Young, sharp, and promoted faster than many liked. The appointment drew political heat, but the man stayed mission-focused. Today, he's leading the charge in KwaZulu-Natal, one of the most volatile provinces in South Africa when it comes to violent crime. Violent crime syndicates have been dismantled. Murder rates have dropped significantly, and perhaps most importantly, public trust in the police is making a comeback. One resident in Inanda put it like this: "For the first time in years, we believe in the police again." But not everyone's applauding. Mkhwanazi is currently under investigation by the Independent Police Investigative Directorate, the IPID. They allege he interfered in the arrest of a correctional services official back in 2023. Some call it obstruction. Others call it a smear campaign. Even politicians are divided. Civil society, the EFF, and SAP's higher-ups say, "Back off, he's cleaning house." But behind the scenes, there's tension, especially between Mkhwanazi and Police Minister Senzo Mchunu. So, what kind of leader is he? He's bold, action-oriented, doesn't mince words. And yes, he endorses shoot to kill for violent criminals. It's controversial, but many in KZN stand by him. He's also cracking down on internal corruption, even exposing misuse of SAPS's secret funds. That hasn't made him popular in every office, and his future? Mkhwanazi says he has no political ambitions, just wants to finish the job and retire. Love him or hate him, General Lucky Mkhwanazi is changing the face of policing in KwaZulu-Natal and South Africa as a whole. The question is, will the system let him finish what he started? Time will tell. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe.